So I've travelled today to Goering UK and I want to learn a little more about industrial vending. Why should an engineer use industrial vending?
Well, vending is a very simple concept. Basically, you keep all your tools in one place instead of having a big storage area. It gives you all fine details about where the tools are going, who's took the tools, and you can keep control of the costs. So it gives you the whole complete package, basically.
Is that the biggest advantage, the cost saving?
Exactly, yeah. That's the main advantage of having one of the vending machines in. Whichever company you go for, really, whichever vending machine you go to, it's all the same. It's all about cost savings. So you can trace where the tools have been going and what jobs they've been used on.
The Goering GTMS, tell us a little bit more about your offering.
Okay, the Goering GTMS is our own software. It runs all the Goering machines. We have various different models, but it's programmed and adaptable for all our machines on various levels of security and that like. So whichever machine you go for, it can be adaptable to suit the customer needs.
Okay, and here these are quite small drawers, perfect for cutting tools, which of course you manufacture here in the UK. But how about larger items? Can you cater for those as well?
Yes, as I mentioned before, we've got various models and different kinds of machines with various different aspects of security. So you can go up from the very small drawers to the 526 system, which is 100% controllable, to big locker boxes and to special locker box cabinets with see-through perspex glass. So, and pull-out machines for tool holders. So we have various models available.
Okay, can we have a demonstration on this machine, please?
Yes, perfect. So what we'll do with the GTMS software, you have various ways of logging in. You can either have a card, you can either have a PIN number, you can have a barcode, so it can be scanned because all machines come with scanners. So I'll just log in, scan the barcode. Because I'm a supervisor, I've got my own personal dashboard, which is available on the GTMS. So basically, we'll put all shortcuts to the frequently used fields for that particular responsible person. So as you can see, you've got booking data, suppliers, so all they need to do, click onto the shortcut, it brings them straight onto the page, nice, quick and easy. And we can also edit these, so if you've got a new person that started, it will tell them suppliers what they can do in suppliers, what's it for, booking data, users, adding new users, etc. So if I want to go and take a tool, basically again, I've got a lot more information on there than a normal user would have. All the normal user would have is withdrawal or return and stock control, whatever the different levels of supervising they got. So if I want to take a tool, I'll go to withdraw. You can have so many cost centres set up on this machine. So basically I've got traceability now. Whichever tool I'm going to take, I can traceability to the machine, to the cost centre, and then if it's a job card, I can enter the job card number and tick. So whichever tool I take now from the software, in the booking data, that will show what machine it was used on, what job it was used on, and the actual job card for traceability purposes 6-12 months down the line. So if I want to search for stationery, for instance, or a pen, we'll have a look. Yeah, see there's 3 in there. In that drawer I only want 1, so with different levels of stock. I can take the stock, see how many there is. As you can see, 100% controllable because it's only open the compartment with the one item in, and I can't get to the tools behind, and this is a 526 model.
So at the end of the month, this is going to produce a lot of data, presumably. Is there any reporting software, and if there is, what can you do with that data?
Well, it's entirely up to the customer what they do with the data, but every single transaction on the software will be monitored for traceability purposes. So as I mentioned before, every job, every cost centre that you create on the software will be traceable. So at the end of the month, you can see how many tools you've used, who's took the tool out on that particular job. So that will give you a good idea of what it's costing you each month or a couple of months to do that particular job, so you can budget it in future. So it's very easy for the general user to find the tools, and there's a lot of information you can put into the software which will help the user find exactly what tool he's looking for. So basically you can search just by clicking on each article, and you've also got pictures there of the articles. If you click onto the picture, it'll bring you as much technical data as you import for the tool, but also you've got put CAD drawings on, and it will give you all the information required. Okay, so I'll search for my tool. There's various ways of searching for a tool. If you know what group the tool's in, you can just click on the group and that tool associated to that group will come up. Or you can go on for whichever section it's in, or even just the size. So if you know the size of the tool, any size of a 10mm, whether it's a reamer, a drill, a 10mm will come up and appear on the database. Or just search through the whole database itself, whichever's quickest and easiest for you. So to find a tool as well, you can search for groups. So any tool that's associated with that group will come up, so it limits searching through the whole database. Or you can just reload the whole database and pick the tool that you require. Nice and simple. Enter how many quantity you want. Open the drawer. Pick the tool you require. Okay, so I'll take the tool and the stock will automatically change on the software and give you the correct stock in the drawer. So then you can just take the tool and carry on with your job.
So you've mentioned you write your own software. Tell us a little more.
Yeah, the software is programmed in Germany by specialised programmers. We've got a team of IT consultants as well. So basically we like to have feedback from the customers. So if there's something that on the software that they want adjusting, we will write it. So we'll get good ideas back from the customers as well, so we can make it flexible for them. And that's what we rely on, feedback from the customers, so we can move the software forward and grow with it.
So for people watching this video and they want to learn a little bit more about Guru Vending, how do they do so?
You can find out all about Guru Vending if you go to the website guru.co.uk. All the information about the vending machines and what models there are is on the website.